This is a video demo on this SICOM3000A EIP Ethernet IP explicit message function using Ethernet IP software. Okay, oh, I misspelled the Ethernet. Let me try to correct it. Uh, yeah, Ethernet. Okay. So Ethernet software. So this is my physical configuration. Okay, my laptop over here, and I already configure this SICOM 3000 network switch to be Ethernet IP adapter. Okay, how do I do that? Okay, let's reach out to uh, the network switch using the IP address of .0.2, which is the factory default IP address, okay, and mean, followed by the password 123, okay, and verification is DHE2 if I get it correctly. Okay, so to configure it, we need to go proceed to the industrial protocol and Ethernet IP over here. And previously it was at the display position. Now to enable it, you need to enable it and press submit. Okay, in the event, if you need to power recycle, okay, in the event of power recycle, it will go back to the display setting, disable setting, sorry. To retain it to enable, okay, you need to go to maintenance and go to this save startup configuration. Okay, by saving this configuration, it will retain whatever your current setting. Okay, so the next thing of interest is we need to reach out to my program, okay, and open up this EIP tools, okay, and that's the software I'm referring to. Okay, for my choice, I can open up two. Okay, so this is one. Okay, let's double click this again and we open up two. Okay, for yeah, so okay, it's already configured to the IP address of 192.168.0. Okay, both is there. Okay, why do I want to choose to open up two? Is so that I can configure two input, two so-called message. The first message will be on the output side. The second message will be on the input side. Okay, let's configure this now. For the input side, okay, it will be 16. Okay, set attribute single. Okay, so the address will be the class will be 4, instance will be 104, and the attribute will be 3. Okay, so once you type these 3 parameter, automatically it will generate this telegram. Okay, but we need to add some more. Okay, 0100. Okay, and then followed by 5555, followed by a lot of 0. Okay, so why there's a lot of 0? Because this is the output. This is the output length. Okay, and we are expecting an output length of I think it's 22 if I remember it correctly. And the starting writing address is actually this 5555. Okay, over here. Okay, so what does it mean to 55? So this is here to here. Okay, sorry, my correct, my last understanding is 20. Okay, it's 20. So so if I go to my next over here, next slide over here, the output is actually contain 20. So byte 0 and byte 1 is actually holding the port enable port function for this port 1 to port 8. Okay, and if you for every 2 byte is actually controlling 1 port. So if you force it to 0 1, okay, it's the enable. Okay, if it's 1 0, it's to disable it. Okay, 0 0 and 1 1 will remain the same. There's nothing changed. So the last 4 byte is reserved. So in the event, if I want to activate everything, it will be 5555. Why? Because in the binary of 0 1 0 1 0 1 and 0 1, okay, it will be actually at a value of 55. If I put AAA, which is 10, that means I want to disable it. Okay, so for this case, let me see. 1 1 2. Okay, this is port 1 2 3 4. okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay. Okay, I just enable my camera, okay. So you get to see the camera over here. Okay, so the next interest now is let's do a request to write it based on this 5555, okay, and I press write. So hey, if I get a green light, that's mean the execution pull through. Okay, the execution pull through. Okay, let's go to the reading. Okay, the input address. Okay, for the reading, we need to follow this parameter, which is get attribute single. Okay, which is 14. Okay, 4 class 4. Okay, instead of instant 104 now, it's 103, and the attribute is actually 3. Okay, so if I put up a request, okay, instantly I should get a lot of string over here. Not string, a lot of bytes here. Okay, and the total byte is 156 if I remember correctly. So I put up a request. I see, you get to see this. And if you follow up this input message, okay, if you follow up this input message, if you get to see again is correspond with the output, okay. So 0 byte, 0 and 1 byte is actually referring to the port 1 to 8, okay. And if you see if the value is 0 0, okay, it's actually disabled. If it's 0 1, it's up, and if it's 1 0, it's down. Okay, so okay, now I get a value of 55. Okay, so 55. This is the value. Okay, but the next interest is actually 50 A 6A. Okay, 6A. Okay, how do I interpret this? Is let's open up a calculator. 6A, 6A, okay, which is equivalent to this. Okay, let me copy and paste it over here for easy reference. Okay, oops. Okay, let's try. Okay, let's try the old method. Okay, let's try the old method, and the value is actually 1. It's actually 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0. Okay. So, immediately you have a good understanding now. Okay, if it's 0 1, okay, it's indicating that it's up. Okay, if it's 1 0, okay, 1 0 is actually down. Okay, it's actually down. Okay, let's have a quick understanding now. Okay. Okay, let me open up this thing again. Okay, let's go to the configuration part. Okay, and see the because probably there's a timeout. Let me log in again. Oops. 1 2 3. Okay, this is a bit challenging for me. 5E GH, if I get it correctly. Okay, okay, good. Let's go to the port configuration, and yeah. So it's the IP stick. Let me check. Yeah. So the status now, if I refresh it, okay, the status now is up. So the first four is up. So that's why you get to see this first 4 is up, and the 5th one is up also. Then, but this one, and this one, the last 3 is off at this status. Yeah. So what I'm going to do now, a quick demo is I'm going to plug out maybe the 5th cable, the fifth port. Okay. Let me go to the video, and I take out the 5th one. So 1 2 3 4. Okay, which is this guy over here. Let me take out the 5th one. Okay, now the 5th one is out. Okay, so if I do a quick refresh, okay, is reflected over here that is down. Okay, so if I go to the software that I used just now, okay, let me see. If I go to the software, if I use just now, okay, if I put up a read request, okay, and it become AA, okay, well, AA. So if you put up your calculator again, a value of AA. Okay, a value of AA is actually 101010, which is this 10. So it's indicating that everything is down. Okay, let's try to disable one bit. Okay, let's try to disable one of the bit. Okay, so to disable, I will do. Let's try. Okay. The understanding is the first bit. This is first bit, second bit. Okay, to disable, we have to change this to AA. Okay. Why? Because this byte is for the first 4 port. This is the second set of 4 port. So, but to be to be more accurate, probably if I want to disable it, maybe I want to do it in this manner. Okay, maybe I want to do it in this manner whereby I want to make it 00. Okay, 0000. Okay, I don't care the other port. Or I okay, I retain the second port. Okay, and yeah, maybe this is the manner I want to try. Okay, or maybe let's try okay, in this manner. So I will disable port number 5 and enable port 6. Okay, and this will be okay. So let's go to the quick calculator again, and what is the value? 1001 0100. So the next hexagon value will be 94, sorry, to be correct. So let's try 94 over here. 94. Okay, and press send. Okay, did it works? Okay, how do I know it's working? Because the counter is adding. Okay, this is a good indication that it's responding. Okay, then the other way to verify this is we refresh this. Okay, what's the expectation now? So the expectation is this number 5 will be disabled. Okay, number 5 will be disabled. Okay, and let's play. Yeah, see the disable is over here. But however, port number 6 and 7 is still working. Okay, I'm going to reconnect back this to port number 7. Okay, port number 7. Okay, and I do a refresh. See, port number 7 is back. Okay, let's try to go to see this setting. Okay, this is to read. Okay, let me do a read. Okay, now we have a value of 26. Okay, so what's the value of 26? Let me check here over here. The value of 26 is actually let me copy and paste. Okay, 26. The value is actually 00100110. Oh, it's making sense now. Okay, why? Because 00 is disabled. 00 is disabled. Port number 5. Okay, then port number 6 is disconnected and it's down actually. Then port number 7 is up. Wow. So it's actually tally with the demo. Okay. The manual is tally with the manual. So with this, I end my presentation. Thank you.